back to our channel ChandraAwesome. In this today's video, we're going to continue the learning of solid tools in Fusion 360. Okay. In the previous videos, we just uh, learned completely that is solid tools how to work with, and we have other tools that is these are like direct tools, guys, like shapes which we want, 3D model shapes which you want in sizes as per the customizations. Okay, like we don't need to do the extrude operations or just like you want to draw the sketch and other things. By using this already built shapes, we can customize the shapes and sizes. Okay, that is how to work with it. Let's jump into the tutorial and explain you all the shapes and how to work with them. Okay, let's, for example, I'm just going to hide this body because we don't need it now. Now create this on the create button. Here you can see the box. Click on it, and we need the plane on which plane you want. Let's come to the plane which we are. Let's select the front plane. This is the format, right? Yeah. I'm just selecting the face. We need to give the point, and we need to give the. It will automatically grab sketch. Okay. And then here we put the box, and you can extrude it in all directions you want except rotating. Okay. Here you can increase the length, increase the breadth, increase the thickness, increase, decrease, change in whatever way you want. Okay, that is how to work with the box body, length, width, height. Okay, that is how to work with it. Now let's keep the size. Let's create on it and set the cylinder. So let's set the space and draw some right here. He asking the uh, base sketch that is about circle. And here you can see you can what are the parameters you want to change in the cylinder. That parameters are available in the pop-up. Just we need to either using the graphics or either you can use the pop-up window for customized shapes. Okay, press OK. Let's work with the sphere. The sphere is also asking maybe the circle. It's just asking the point. We just need to give the diameter because that the sphere is only the diameter is the one, right? So we just need to pick the diameter and increase the size of the sphere. Okay. Now click OK. We got three shapes and we need to draw no other three shapes. That is torus. So the shape and is asking the circle diameter. Torus. Torus is nothing but like a donut. It is asking two diameters. One is the circle diameter and another is the torus shape, which means it's another diameter, right? You can increase the size of diameter, and also it is showing the another direction, which means it is going to increase the diameter of the this shape, this circle one, this surface circle one. It's like how we work with the that means sweep operation. Okay, we don't need to perform the sweep operation, just like you can import it. And these are the basic shapes, guys. These are very useful, just like when you want to perform these operations. Okay, and in the pocket window, you can also change outside and inside, on center, depends upon on your base how to work based on your whatever uh, need. Okay, now press OK. We got the total shape as well, and we need coil. Coil means just like a okay. As for example, I select the wrong plane. I'm selecting here and giving the circle dimensions and press OK. And you can see we've got the spring or coil. Okay. In the Onshape studio, we are able to do very long process. That's like we need to draw the helix and need to draw the circle, and we need to do the sweep operation exactly as per remove, or else we don't get it. So like this way, you can see. Uh, Let's create this wrong button. Maybe this already is too small. Let's increase it. Yep. And let's give the dimensions. Yep. We give the coil radius, and you can also increase the length, how much length of the coil you want, and you can also rotate it. See, just like a we observe that a single point coil, or you can also increase it. This type of means we have uh, one side of one diameter and the side of two diameters of coil. Okay, and you can also change the height. In the pop-up window, you can also there is a section. If you want a circle, this is a circle coil, but we have different type of coils also available. That is, see, we use the circular here, right? Let's sell the square, and you can see we got a square type of coil. And if you don't want a square, sell the rectangular coil. See, we got the rectangular coil. If you want, keep external and internal triangle. Based on this, now also we get the coils. Okay, and revolution per page, you can also have the customizations here. Revolution and height, revolution pitch, height, spiral, depends upon your wish. Okay, and number of revolutions you want, you can also increase the number of revolutions here, and decrease angle of use starting angle. Okay, center new body, and you can also change this section position if you want. Okay, you can also increase the velocity 5. This way you can perform. We have a square rectangle like this. You can make the coils. The base diameter is same. If you want to change the shape also, it's not available. Okay, guys. That is how to work with the coil tool, which is very useful for making the springs very easily. Okay. Now we got other shape. Last but not least, pipe. What does the pipe need exactly? So where's the plane? It's not showing the plane. Siding. Sell the pipe again. It's not asking the plane. Maybe there is a glitch. That's for example. I'm just going to sell this. Okay, guys, we got a glitch here. Let me remove that. So there. Okay, it's asking the path, not plane. Sorry. So let's, for example, set the plane. We need the path, the leg, for example. Uh, you can also create a path by using the dash. Let's deselect it. You need a path. Just like if you want to try spline, okay, and select the spline, and based on the spline, you can get the pipe. Okay, let's remove it. Okay, here we got already, right. Let's sell this, and you can see we actually got added a pipe. In this way, you can also brush spring like this. You got a circles pipe. If you don't want the chain, you can uncheck it. Like for example, if you want to draw from this point to this point, that's not happen. We have circle section, we have square section, just like how the spring is coil operation works. It's the same. That is like a pipe, but with the pipe you can get the different shapes, not only in the coil shape. Okay, let's deselect it. Now I just want to select this circular one. Here you can see we got add this circular and square type of pipes. If you want to halo, you can also make halo, but let's change this direction, and you can see you can able to make the halo also. These operations also gain. Okay, let's give rescue chain. This way you can perform if you want to change circular, resource available, if you want to change to triangular, resource available. This is all this is in this way you can play with these tools as per you want. Okay, guys. I hope you might understand how to work with the already tools, existing shape tools that are how to perform instead of designing from starting from the sketches and external operations. You can simply use these shapes and perform the uh, kind of operations in a as per you want. Okay, let's try this all bodies self tall. That's all about this, guys. If you really like this, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching.